Which one? Which one? This one. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. In today's video we are going to unbox the IPS Suvneer trunk organizer made out of carbon fiber. Also, we're gonna give this bad boy away. In the last video I announced that I'm gonna make a giveaway when I reach 2,000 subscribers, but it was too late and you guys smashed that subscribe button so many times that we're past 2,000 at 2,030 something at this time. So we're gonna give this thing away to one of you. Now I prefer to give it away to somebody locally, but if you guys for you guys I'm gonna ship it anywhere in America. If you are out of the boundaries of the United States, you can still comment, but I won't be able to ship it out. Now let's open it up and see what it's all about. Oh yes, one of you who's following me on YouTube and Instagram and leaves a comment down below will get this organizer in the next video. Also, stick to the end, I have a big announcement to make. So, as I mentioned, this is a Suvneer IPS organizer, trunk organizer, and it was sent to me by Gary Lowe. If you guys don't know him, he's a big name in the W211 modification community, and this is the guy I bought my front bumper from. Now, this one is also on sale on Amazon, and I'll leave affiliate link below. At the moment of this video, it is 16 something, but prices vary, so check the affiliate link below the like button. So this is how compact this thing is, and here is the carbon fiber part, because carbon fiber is awesome. I like this because if you fold it like that, it's gonna be out of the way, it's not gonna take any space in your trunk. But when you open it, for example, you get groceries or you get a like 12-pack of beer or something, not that I promote drinking, but you know, people do drink. You can open this thing up. It is plenty spacious. It also comes with a little hook that I don't know, where do you hook this thing up? I have no idea. This is a headrest hook if you need more headrest. Alright. Oh, I understand now. You can put it in the back of your seat like this, and you can hook stuff up. Now, organizer is very simple, but very functional. All around the bottom and the sides, it's this carbon fiber like material. Here is a little bit more. There is a pocket on this side right here, and simply folds, and elastic band is included so you can keep it together. Very simple, very nice. Now, as you saw in the beginning of the video, I have a million FCP Euro boxes in the back of this car, so we're not gonna test this thing. Plus, I don't want to get it dirty because one of you is gonna win it. So go ahead and leave a comment down below that you want it, and then we're gonna arrange. You can, when I pick the winner in the next video, which will be very exciting by the way, because I am announcing my new car. Yes, that's right, you heard correct. We're having a new car on the Car Ghost channel, and we're gonna reveal it in the next video. Super excited. So part of those FCP boxes is for that car because, well, yeah, you don't always get a brand new car, right? So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this back up, and one of you guys is gonna win it. So I'll announce it in the next video, and then we can take it from there. If you like today's video, if you're excited for the following project, hit that like button and subscribe for a lot more videos to come. See you in the next one. Bye!